Day 14. But first, coffee. So I'm just doing some body repair with Bondo here. It's a little messy right now. I gotta clean it up before it cures, but just a quick, this is what's up. Quick reno break to see this little guy just hanging out in the grass. So we pulled up all of the panels that were sitting in here from yesterday just to get in and paint this enamel on all of this metal that we de-rusted so that it will not rust again, at least not for a long time. So that officially means that we've de-rusted the entire frame of the bus. So we're just putting in the foam as you saw from the time lapse. Bam, bam. Thanks, Steven, for the knife. A little old turkey knife works perfect for cutting this. And the messiest of all foams to use is the spray foam. It's so sticky. Sticky poo. Broken fender repair with Bondo. Here we go. I've taped it to hold it together, and then I'm going to do Bondo on the inside here first, because if it's messy, it doesn't matter as much. It'll be hidden. And then I'll do another coat on the outer side where I can sand it and smooth it out. Adding the hardener to the Bondo. Bondo is on. So the inside cured, I pulled the tape off, and now I've done a layer on this side. I'm not gonna worry too much about sanding the inside here because you're never gonna see it, so it can be ugly and just whatever. But I'll try to get this as smooth as possible, and then we're gonna be painting all of this black eventually. So just doing kind of the first pass of sanding off the first layer of Bondo here. You can kind of see it basically like fills everything, repairs. This was all cracked and broken into a bunch of pieces, but we're getting it pretty smooth. You got to do a few coats, but so far so good. End of day 14. We got a lot done. It actually felt like we got a bunch of stuff done today versus the last couple days, which were a little bit more frustrating. So here's where we're at. We've got the foam in. We've started putting all the insulation back in and reapplying the walls so we can paint all this, filling in the sections that we had to rip out. Wheel well's got the spray foam, sticky, so you can see we still gotta fill in these sides, and we still have a bit of a leak here, so we're just addressing that and we're not filling it in. But otherwise, we can start building the next floor, which will be insulated fairly soon. So that's all for day 14. It's been a long road just to get to this point where we can actually pretty much start working on the inside and building it, and also building our roof rack, roof deck. So stay tuned for updates. Thanks for following.